Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Softr for turning Airtable into apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Softr website. Once the site loads, look for a prominent button that says Get Started or Sign Up. Click on that button to begin your registration process. You will be directed to a registration page. If you already have an account, you can choose to log in instead. For new users, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the designated box. Next, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've read through them, check the box to agree. Click the Sign Up or Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Softr. Click the verification link within that email to verify your account. After verifying, you may be prompted to log in again. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Softr dashboard. Explore the available templates to get started with your app. Choose a template that fits your needs and click on it. From there, you can connect your Airtable account. Follow the prompts to authorize Softr to access your Airtable bases. After connecting, you can customize your app as desired. Make any necessary adjustments to the layout and features. Once you are satisfied with your app, look for the Publish option. Click the Publish button to make your app live. You may need to select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Choose the plan you prefer and enter your payment information. Confirm your subscription to finalize the process. Your Softr account is now fully set up and ready to use. Start creating powerful apps using Airtable data through Softr. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.